Hi there, Stampers. Jen Roque here from StampCampWithJen.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Summerfield, Florida, near the Villages, and welcome to my March 2026 Stamp Camp to Go, featuring the Reason to Celebrate stamp set and the Seasonal Celebration stamp sets. You will need these stamp sets to complete your projects. They are not included in the kit, but you can add them to your Stamp Camp to Go purchase and save 17% on tax and shipping. You're going to make all 4 of these cards. You're going to get 2 card kits for each design to make a total of 8 cards. You'll also get a quarter pack of the Easter Joy specialty paper and a quarter pack of the Pleasant Patterns designer series or specialty paper, both cut down to 6x6. And you'll also get the 2024 to 2026 in color flat pearls. Okay. Now, recommended ink colors for this class are Basic Beige, Lemon Lolly, Peach Pie, Pretty in Pink, Shy Shamrock, and Tuxedo Black Memento ink. Again, you can add those to your kit and save 17% on tax and shipping. And I do recommend a Stampin' Pierce mat for this class. When you have these large images, a Stampin' Pierce mat makes your stamping come out much nicer. And again, you can add that to your kit when you register if you need to and save 17% on tax and shipping. So the deadline to register is March 5th, 2026. You can expect the kits to ship out the week of March 23rd. If you'd like to just purchase the tutorials, the link is in the description below this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I hope you're excited about this class, and I hope to see you soon. Have a great day, be safe, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.